Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your Costco gas prices near you before you make a trip. So first of all, simply come here on costco.com. Then you need to log in into your account if you haven't already. Now over here on the home page itself, you are going to see the option of my warehouse and your delivery location. So you can also just click on this particular section. Then you need to simply just provide your city, state, or the zip code. Then simply click on the option of find. Now as soon as you do this, you are going to see a bunch of different warehouses. So that has the gas station. So you just have to simply click on the option of show location details, and over here you are going to see the current gas price for the regular and the premium prices. So you are going to basically see it over here. You can also specifically go to the locations section and look for the option of gasoline. Afterwards, you just have to simply select the option of locator or the fuel. Then you are going to see the option of locator, and where you can basically provide your location and select your country, and then you can just simply take a look at the current gas pricing. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.